Gates open, they're up and racing. Tabaco draws for your lead. Moving up by the release, Durango, Golden Class, Queen Court. Indiac is running by the rail as they race towards the last 900. Durango by about 2 lengths. Running in second is Tabaco, Golden Class Court. Indiac moving up by the rail and trailing the group is Queen. About to pass the last 800. Durango caught. Indiac moving up by the rail. Tabaco in between runners and Golden Class. Queen is still running at the tail of the field as they round at the last 600 with Durango. Golden Class moving up on the outside. Caught. Indiac by the rail. Tabaco drops back in for and Queen is still in behind them as they race at a final corner. This one, Golden Class still leading the field. Durango in second and Tabaco is on the outside. Caught. Indiac by the rail with 150 to go. Golden Class followed by Durango. Caught. Indiac in third. With last 75 meters, Golden Class moving up east, Durango caught Indiac, and finally Golden Class caught Indiac, Durango, Tabaco, and Queen comes in last.
Okay, 3-1 to ang ating unofficial order of arrival.